4 ways to add intensity into your child's day. One of your most important responsibilities as a parent is to teach your child how to live a good life. That responsibility comes with teaching your child to be safe, to be polite, and to be kind. But kids also need to learn to make the most of life, to squeeze as much enjoyment and fun out of it as they can. Here are 4 ways you can help your child learn to live a life of intensity, passion, and enthusiasm. 1. Get physical. Intensity comes with really living in your body, running, jumping, dancing. Encourage your child to see what their body can do, how fast they can run, how loudly they can sing or shout, preferably out of doors. Jump in piles of leaves in the fall, make snow angels in the winter, roll down sand dunes and splash in the sea. Encourage tactile activities like cooking and baking. Show your children how to knead dough for pizzas, how to test a peach or avocado for ripeness. 2. Use your imagination. You can add intensity and a lot of fun by encouraging your child to use their imagination. Make up songs and stories. Learn poems by heart and recite them together. Choose poems with lots of rhythm and rhyme so they can feel the richness of the language. Sing songs together in the car or during bath time. Have art sessions together using a range of materials from finger paint to watercolors, good quality crayons, and Play-Doh or clay. Take your child to art galleries and encourage them to enjoy the shapes and colors. Ask them what they like about a particular artwork. 3. Play together. Kids love it when adults join in their games. Build a blanket fort in the living room or a playpen in the yard. Join in and play on the swings or slide at the playground. Allow your child to write the script and direct you in the play session. Kids love pretending to run a cafe or a shop and serve you as the customer. 4. Let them join in. Kids also love helping their parents do the chores. Show them how to sort laundry into piles and how to load the washing machine. Sit at the kitchen bench or table and shell peas or scrape carrots together. As well as learning essential life skills, your child will learn how to get enjoyment even out of mundane tasks, and it's more fun to do it together. Children can learn how to live a life of intensity and enjoyment when they see you getting fun out of ordinary things.